Are you a lazy person, but still want to lose weight? Let's be honest, not everyone enjoys going to the gym. Some people hate intense workouts. Others simply don't have the motivation. And that's exactly why so many people stay stuck. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. You don't need to stop being lazy to lose weight. You just need to be smarter than your habits. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful strategies that require minimal effort, but can give you real results. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last tip might be the easiest one, and also the most effective. Use smaller plates? Let's start with something extremely simple, but surprisingly powerful. Using smaller plates. This might sound too easy, but it works because of something called portion perception. When you use a large plate, your brain expects you to fill it. And when you fill it, you eat more than you actually need. But when you switch to a smaller plate, something interesting happens. Your portions automatically shrink. Your brain still feels satisfied. You eat less without feeling like you're dieting. This is what we call a passive weight loss strategy. You don't need discipline, just a small change in your environment. So next time you eat, try this. Use a smaller plate. Avoid going back for seconds immediately. Give your body time to feel full. It's one of the easiest ways to start losing weight without effort. Point 2, do simple activities at home. Now let's talk about movement. But don't worry, no gym required. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking that only intense workouts matter. That's not true. Your body burns calories through daily movement, not just exercise. So instead of saying, I'm too lazy to work out, change it to, I'll just move a little more today. Here are some effortless ways to do that. Walk around your house while on your phone. Do light cleaning. Stretch while watching TV. Take short breaks to stand up and move. These small actions may seem insignificant, but over time, they add up. And the best part? You don't feel like you're exercising. You don't need motivation. You just stay slightly active. Consistency beats intensity, especially for lazy people. Point 3, create a simple routine. If you rely on motivation, you will fail. Motivation comes and goes, but routine stays. That's why lazy people actually benefit more from having a simple routine. Not a complicated one, not a perfect one, just something easy to follow. For example, wake up at the same time, eat meals at similar hours, have a small daily movement habit, avoid late-night eating. When your life has structure, your brain spends less energy making decisions, and fewer decisions equals less resistance. You don't need to think. You don't need to force yourself. You just follow the pattern. And over time, that pattern creates results. Point 4, chew slowly. This is one of the most underrated tips ever. Chewing slowly. Most people eat too fast, and that's a problem. Because your body needs time to understand that it's full. When you eat fast, A, you consume more calories. B, you don't feel satisfied. C, you overeat without noticing. But when you slow down, A, you eat less naturally. B, you feel full faster. C, you enjoy your food more. Try this simple trick. Put your fork down between bites. Chew more than usual. Take your time. You don't need... Point 5, replace high-calorie snacks. Let's be real. Snacks are the biggest problem for most people. It's not always the main meals. It's the random high-calorie foods during the day. Chips, sugary drinks, fast snacks. These are easy to eat and easy to overeat. But instead of trying to completely stop, just replace them. That's it. Swap high-calorie snacks for better options. Fruits instead of candy. Water instead of soda. Yogurt instead of processed desserts. Nuts instead of chips. This is a lazy-friendly strategy because you don't feel restricted, you still snack, you just make better choices. And those small swaps can save hundreds of calories per day.
If you want to accelerate your weight loss even more, there is nothing better than using a good support supplement. And with Citrus Burn, you can achieve excellent results in much less time. Citrus Burn is a 100% natural supplement designed to work in harmony with your body. It combines 7 rare herbs and other powerful ingredients that together provide several benefits, such as increased calorie burning, improved feeling of fullness, body detox support, and much more. If this caught your attention, the links will be available in the video description and also in the first pinned comment. Start maximizing your weight loss today.
So now you see, you don't need extreme discipline. You don't need to become a gym addict. You just need to make small, smart changes. Let's recap. Use smaller plates. Move a little more at home. Create a simple routine. Chew slowly. Replace high-calorie snacks. Simple. Easy. Effective. Now it's your turn. Start with just one of these tips today. If you try to do everything at once, you might quit. But if you start small, you'll stay consistent. And consistency is what brings results. So, if this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more simple and effective weight loss tips. And comment below, which tip will you start today? See you in the next video.